You know what it is. The Falling on a Budget production.
It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone, boys. 18 wheels on the concrete. It's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James. A modern day outlaw gang. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition. Diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the ropes. We were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling. We're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone, boys. 18 wheels on.
Alright guys, what's up? Here we are again with another video. My brother just got here, so we're gonna go ahead and start messing with the trucks. Today what we're gonna be doing is, I think we're gonna be chopping the wings on the Peterbilt. I don't know, but I think that's what we're gonna be doing. So I'm gonna go ahead with that. So so we're gonna be cutting the wings on the Peterbilt. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's up on that right now, and we'll go from there. So yeah. Alright guys, so what we're gonna be doing today is we're going to be cutting the wings. We're going to be shortening the wings on the Peterbilt right quick. Excuse me. We're going to be shortening them. So no more long ass wings. And yeah. But yeah, what we planned on, we thought about it was to keep the little, let me see if you can see it, the little lip here. We were going to actually chop it here, move this inward. Oh, where it is, I can't tell. Right here. That way it looks factory with the lip. But what we come to find out is, oh shit, gonna find out is it stops right here. So if we were to cut it, it was gonna end up too short. So we're just gonna go ahead and chop them from here up. Yep, just like we did the other Peterbilt. So yeah, so we're gonna just go ahead and just chop them there. So that didn't work out for us. So yeah. But just quick, what he was saying, he's gonna measure it in from here. He's gonna go ahead and show you when it's doing it, but he's gonna measure in to here.
Because this side
and mark it.
This side is straight and that side isn't.
Yeah, because as you can tell, it goes straight about to here and then it angles in.
Yeah, and if you measure from there this way, you're gonna be off.
Yeah.
If you measure from here in, you'll be able to make a straight line.
Yep. That way your cut is straight all the way up until here, and then here he actually gonna cut it little in, but again this is also going in, so the same shit. He's gonna measure it inwards, that way it's all straight. But either way, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys once we once he's measuring it, so you guys can actually see what we're talking about. So yeah, this is just step one to the process. All right guys, here we are. We just measured it. It's gonna be
like 11 and a little bit less than a quarter.
Oh, I can't keep it steady. You guys can see it's right there.
That's where we want it. But you can cut wherever you want.
Yeah, if anyone decides
11, at 10, it's all up to you.
Yeah, so if you guys ever decide to do this, you guys can cut it whatever you guys want. It just, that's what we're doing it at. Mainly because right here where this is at this point, it curves up. So if you cut anything beyond this point, it's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna get smaller and smaller the higher you go up, unless your guys' wings are different and they're straight, you know. But as for now, for us at this point, it goes up, so we're gonna be cutting it as far as we can. So that's as far as we can go for it to be straight all the way down. So yeah, we're just gonna follow that all the way up, and yeah,
we're gonna keep measuring the 11 and whatever the hell that is.
We failed math class, guys, so
y'all should have known by now. Of course.
You gonna mark it?
Yeah,
alright. You just line it up with the end. Where's that? Make sure it's straight. You mark it here also. And you just follow that all the way up.
Until you get to
where it splits. And once it splits, this end here goes inwards, and you just follow that also. That way you get the same thing all the way up until it gets here, curves in. That way you get the same as the original wing is, or was.
like the ones that come from factory like that. What the heck is that? Oh, there it goes.
All right, here we go. We got the lines all the way up to where the split, and now
this is where it goes straight. And then from here to follow that, it's a little bit more confusing. But now you got to measure from here to this line, so that you can follow this all the way up, so it's the same. So this is gonna be roughly around like 3.5 inches. So from here, you just measure 3.5 and mark it off from this line in, or out, you could say, and just follow it all the way up, and it should be.
you should get the same exact cut. Yep.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and mark that up, and then we'll get back to you guys. All right, he got it marked up. I don't know if you can see the little lines with the yardstick. Excuse me. The yardstick, he's gonna go ahead and line up all the lines, get them marked up straight, and yeah. Done, just like that. Granted, we know it's not going to be no professional like at a shop or whatnot, but you got to do what you got to do.
So you do what you got to do on a budget, brother.
We know we're no professionals, guys, but it works for now. Let me see if I can see the line from here. Yeah, you can see it. There you go. Yeah, it looks straight. Yep. All right, whenever you're ready.
When you can use the meter stick, but I think it, like, when I get to the top part, since it's kind of wavy and curvy and stuff, I try to use something just straight but flexible. And this is a piece of mud flap, and that way you can actually bend it to the shape of the wing
on top,
and then and you can still mark it up. That way with this one's gonna be way harder to try to maneuver, and you won't get the right markings, I guess. And make sure y'all always double check
the markings,
the measurements. That way they come out right, because I had to remeasure and the line was going too far in, and I just redid it now, and now I like the way it looks. So
yeah,
thumbs up.
And make sure your piece of mud flap is straight too.
Yeah, make sure, don't use the wobbly end of it, use the straight end of it.
Yep. So yeah, we'll go ahead and start chopping this bad boy up, this bad mumbo jumbo. Get it?
Yep.
All right, guys, and there it is. It's flapping away.
Cut the ribbons off the.
There you go, guys.
I just gotta cut the ribbons off the brackets, and this whole thing will come off.
It's cut for now, so yeah.
Done. The deed is done.
All right, guys.
To knock these off, either you can grind them off, whatever's easiest for you. I think it's easier if I just do a little, quick pinch, and then with the drill, I just drill it out right here. Just drill it, and then
End up like this.
you just with one of these, just kind of tap it in, and it knocks out. whatever you want to do, whatever's best for you, I guess.
Whatever works best for you guys, but for us, that's the easiest way to do it. Drill them out. So yeah, he already got 2 out. He's gonna knock the rest of them out in the top bracket, and then the wing comes off. So yeah, let's get to it, I guess. And bam, just like that. Cool. 3 down, 3 to go, and then the top ones.
Yeah. Oh shoot! I was gonna hit it with the drill.
All right, guys.
No, it's gonna be hot there. But just watch out. Que está filoso, no te vas a cortar. Just yeah, just grab it como quiera. Ahorita I'll help you as soon as it goes.
I'll drop it towards John. He'll catch it.
All right, guys. Got him. Oh shit, that was fast. All right, just knocking out the rivets, and yeah.
You ready?
Vámonos.
Does it light this thing?
Up.
Show it, George. Ta-da! There it is. Throw it up here for now on the trailer. All right, now what he's gonna go ahead and do is clean up those spots right there and get them painted orange. That way, yeah, we're gonna put new rivets in to cover up the holes, and then get it painted orange. And then as the edge goes, you're gonna go ahead and sand down the edge. That way, it's nice and smooth. And as you can tell, it's aluminum, so he's gonna paint it also. He's also gonna paint it orange. That way, it's all one color. So yeah.
How does it look?
On the camera, it looks good so far. Oh, there you go. Yeah, but there you go. There you go, guys. I mean, this is dirty, as you can tell, the shit there, but yeah, that's one side down. Let us know what y'all think, how it came out. It looks really good, if you ask me. I like it. Cool. It's just if I go too far this way, you can see the other one, so you can't really tell. But yeah, that's that. One side down. Cool. Get this one marked up, and then get it cut. So yeah, let's get to it. Now we got to cut it like the other side over there, and we should be good. Get the edges sanded down. That's that. Let's get to cutting. Oh yeah.
Hey guys, remember that when you're right here by the brackets, to be careful, because it might want to throw you off. If you're too far in, it's gonna grab the bracket from the back, and it's gonna want to throw your cutter off.
Yeah.
So be careful. I mean, make sure you come out a little bit, but enough to cut the wing, but not enough to cut the bracket, because then it's gonna be wobbling and it's gonna mess you up for the rest of the cut.
Yeah, we don't want that, because then your cut's gonna come out slanted.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just be careful when you're cutting behind the brackets, guys, because
Yeah, there's one here and one here.
yeah.
Just be careful with the brackets. Kind of bring the blade out a little bit, but keep cutting, and that way you won't mess nothing up.
So yeah, just a quick tip for you guys. You guys try it. Finished cutting it, brought it down, and that's that. What are you doing right now? Sanding it or what?
No, I'm just cleaning up a little bit before I sand.
Okay.
And then I clean up with this just quick, and then I sand it, and then I'll paint it a little bit.
All right, cool. I don't know if you can see it from here, but he's putting new rivets in. Here are the new rivets, ready to go. You got them up here also, and he's working on it over there. There you go. So after this, we're gonna go ahead and clean that, and then paint it, and then paint the edge here inside, right in there, all that. That way it's all orange. And yeah.
That's it.
Cool,
Now
cool,
it's
cool. All right, guys, as you can tell, he taped it up here, painted the spots over there. He's painted them already over here. So those are orange, ready to go. Just letting it dry. Put the new rivets in also. So looking good. And as you can tell here, as you can tell, it's painted orange all the way now.
Looks factory.
So yeah, now it doesn't look so like we did it here at the yard. So yeah, guys, that's that. Let us know what you guys think. All right, but yeah, we're gonna, obviously it's different, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna get take the paint code and get some paint for the actual truck. That way we can respray this with the gun so I can actually paint match. So yeah, so this is just for now, but yeah, either way it works. All right, guys, finally finished up. Removed the tape on this side. Again, as you can tell, the paint doesn't match exactly, but it's all good. It's all good. Got that side chopped up, got the edges painted, got where the brackets used to be painted, and yeah, that's that. Go ahead and show you the other side real quick. And here goes the other side. Nice and clean. Edges are nice and done. And yeah, that's that. Alright, guys. And just like that, we finished up the cutting these wings. I think, personally, I think it came out pretty clean, but everybody has their own opinion. So, sorry, I just have it backwards. It's kind of get confusing. But yeah, that's that. Let us know what you guys think of the truck with the wings. Let us know if you guys like it. Let us know if you don't. And yeah, I hope we helped somewhat. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Nope, I lied, guys. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now we'll see you on the next video.